Good morning, students. Continuation of chapter Delhi Sultanate. In previous class, we discussed about governance during the Sultanate period. Today, we will discuss some exercises of this chapter that are tick the correct options, fill in the blanks, match the following, and answer the following questions in brief. Let's proceed ahead. First, we will discuss tick the correct options. Let's see first number. Before assuming office of the Sultan of Delhi, Balban was the Prime Minister of which Sultan? Options are Nasiruddin, Behram, Razia, Kutubuddin Aibak. Correct answer is Nasiruddin. Students, we have already discussed that in the year 1246 CE, the youngest son of Iltutmish, that is Nasiruddin Mahmud, became Sultan and ruled for 20 years. Ghiyasuddin Balban was his prime minister. Now come in second number. Which Sultan made a successful attempts to free himself from the control of ulemas? Options are Balban, Alauddin, Firoz Shah, Sikandar Lodi. Correct answer is Alauddin. Alauddin Khalji was the first Muslim ruler who didn't tolerate the interference of religious leaders like ulemas and mullahs in his administration. Now come in third number. Which of the following cities was not founded by Firoz Shah Tughlaq? Options are Firozabad, Jaunpur, Fatehpur, Hisar. Correct answer is Fatehpur. Firozabad, Jaunpur and Hisar were founded by the Firoz Shah Tughlaq. Now come in fourth number. The first ever lady Sultan of India, Razia Sultan, ascended the throne in 1236 CE after. Options are Iltutmish, Kutubuddin Aibak, Rukunuddin, Behram Shah. Correct answer is Rukunuddin. Students, we have already discussed that after the death of Iltutmish, the nobles declared his eldest son Rukunuddin Firoz the Sultan, but he was murdered only 7 months later and Razia became the Sultan. So correct answer is Rukunuddin. Now come in fifth number. Which one of the following statements regarding Firoz Tughlaq is not correct? Options are he patronized ulemas. Second, he exempted the Hindus from paying jizya. Third, he laid many fruits gardens. And fourth, he helped the poor Muslims. Correct answer is he exempted the Hindus from paying jizya. Now we will discuss second exercise, that is fill in the blanks. Let's see first number. Slave dynasty was founded by dash. Answer is Kutubuddin Aibak. Slave dynasty was founded by Kutubuddin Aibak. Now come in second number. Dash founded the new city of Agra in dash. Answer is Sikandar Lodi in 1506 CE. Sikandar Lodi founded the new city of Agra in 1506 CE. Now come in third number. Ibrahim Lodi was defeated by dash in the battle of dash in dash. Answer is Ibrahim Lodi was defeated by Babur in the battle of Panipat in 1526. Now come in fourth number. Hindu society was based on dash system? Answer is caste. Hindu society was based on caste system. Now coming fifth number, India's foreign trade was carried on both by dash and dash. Answer is land and by sea. India's foreign trade was carried on both by land and by sea. Now coming next number, dash was the writer of Tariq-e-Firoz Shahi. Answer is Ziauddin Warni. Ziauddin Warni was the writer of Tariq-e-Firoz Shahi. Now we will discuss exercise C, that is match the following. Students, in this exercise you have to match with suitable one. Let's see first number, Alauddin, and suitable match is Alai Darwaja. Alauddin, Alai Darwaja. Second, Taimur. Correct answer, correct and suitable match is Samarkand. Taimur, Samarkand. Coming third number, Muhammad bin Tughlaq. Suitable match is Juna Khan. Muhammad bin Tughlaq, suitable match A number, Juna Khan. Fourth number, Quwwat-ul-Islam Mosque. Correct and suitable match is Qutbuddin Aibak. Quwwat-ul-Islam Mosque built by Qutbuddin Aibak. And coming fifth number, Muhammad Ghori, and correct answer is Prithviraj Chauhan. Suitable match is Prithviraj Chauhan. Muhammad Ghori, Prithviraj Chauhan. Now we will discuss exercise D, that is answer the following questions in brief. Let's see first number, name two literary gems of Qutbuddin Aibak's court. Answer is two literary gems of Qutbuddin Aibak courts are Hasan Azmi and Mubarak Shah. Now coming second number, when and between whom was the first battle of Panipat fought? Answer is the first battle of Panipat was fought between Babur and Ibrahim Lodi in 1526 CE. Now coming third number, mention four social evils prevalent in the Hindu society during the Sultanate period. Answer is four social evils that prevalent in the Hindu society during the Sultanate period are sati system, child marriage, ban on widow remarriage, and female education. Now coming fourth number, mention four items which were exported from India. Answer is four items that were exported from India are rice, textiles, spices, and indigo. Now coming fifth number, name two sultans who kept the ulemas away from the administration. Answer is two sultans who kept the ulemas away from the administration were Alauddin Khalji and Muhammad bin Tughlaq. That's all for today. Thank you and have a nice day.